8 or under. I guess 9-year-olds can do that too. Or maybe 10 years old. Maybe 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and so, you could just play outside. My voice cracked. Hello. We've got a visitor.
Ha There he goes.
And so, this is something that you should do on a rainy day. First of all, maybe you should listen to music, like any kind of music that you like. I like Japanese music. Sometimes I'll listen to Vocaloid, but I like Japanese music. And sometimes, what was I gonna say? And then also you could draw.
He had simply taken her out.
Let me think.
Dropped her off a bridge.
Yeah, you could draw, and then you could also
He just guarded her like a piece of
also maybe paint, not paint and paper, but like paint. Like, what are they called now?
Ceramics?
Yes, ceramics. And then so that's what you could do.
Or you can tidy your room. Okay, you could do that.
I did.
What else could you do? You could cook or bake.
Yeah. Or you could hang out with your siblings.
That's right.
So, wait, don't want to be in the video now?
29th, 2005. Rob
No.
Patrick is convicted.
Okay, she doesn't want to be in the video.
Sentenced to life in
Okay,
prison.
I hope you liked my video. Sayonara.